I really believe in me now. And I want to thank you, because I wouldn't have been able to believe in me if you didn't believe in me. I mean, I wanted to believe in me, and I felt like I tried for so long to really believe that I could do something, but I didn't really fully get it until you came into my life, and I want to thank you for that. And I want to pass that on. I want to share it with the world. And you've been helping me through that. And I've been doing some things, but I just want you to know that I'm ready for bigger things. I'm actually ready to transform the world. And I want to thank you, because you transformed my world.